down.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So welcome to part 1 of my Goa vlog. I'm here in Goa for the next 5 days and 4 nights. I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that I'm going to be doing and just vlogging the whole experience. To start off, let me show you the hotel that we're staying in. This is called Porto by Lagum and I'm gonna insert the room tour now. Okay, so this is where you enter from and this is what you see. This is a 360 of the whole room. So that's the door. We have a little area where you can lay your bags down. Yes, I do have 3 suitcases. Everything's mine. Then we have a cupboard, side table, bed, which is very nice, another side table, and then here we have a seating area. Next to the seating area we have a study table, which is probably where I'll be doing my makeup. Then here we have a balcony, which isn't really a balcony. I'll show you what it looks like. There's a full-length mirror, which I'm so glad that we have a full-length mirror. And then this is the washroom. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty decent, I would say. This is the balcony. It's more like a duct, almost like there's nothing here. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so we got here today at 9:30 and we've just been chilling. Honestly, everyone's really tired, so we're not going to be doing much today. The first stop is going to be to go to Curly's, which is like a shack restaurant facing the beach. So that's what we're going to do today. It's going to be a very chill, relaxing sort of a day. Pen le, I'll wait for you. So what is step 1? To get a scooty, right? You have to get a scooty. You're getting an Activa, I'm getting a Vespa.
Pink color?
No, orange. We'll change the color. Yeah, we'll change the color every day. We'll try to do that. So the hotel guy only gave us a contact. If you want, I can leave the contact in the description box below if you want to like get Vespas or scooties. So हमें Fasino ही मिला. There is no Vespa available. Quick tip. He's taking a video of the vehicle that you're getting just in case, like if there are any scratches pehle se they can't like blame you later on. So we're here at Curly's and this is going to be my first meal for the day. Haven't had anything today, so I'm excited. मैंने hummus देखा था menu पे, so yeah, probably gonna order that.
Hummus खाता है.
Whatever.
Maddie.
Everyone say hi. My hummus and pita bread is here. Some of our cocktails are here. He's having some basic Szechuan fried rice, but the food overall is pretty good. Hi, so it is 6:45 right now and we've kind of hiked up to this rocky portion of the beach. We're on Anjuna Beach, by the way, and now where are we going, by the way? I forgot to ask them. Bagaya Kalangut, we're not really sure. So Curly's I would recommend. It was a really like fun chill spot. We were here for at least like 4 hours and it was a really good time. So now we are at Baga Beach. Baga Beach is very crowded and it's very commercialized, but we've come at Butterfish. So basically there are these beautiful tents with fairy lights all over them. Also I ended up burning my leg silencer pe chipak gaye. So that's great. So we were heading back home and एक स्कूटी बंद हो गई बीच में ही. No idea how. So luckily यहाँ पे ही पेट्रोल मिल रहा है. मुंबई में नहीं मिलता ना ऐसे बॉटल में पेट्रोल.
मुंबई में इलीगल है ये. इधर भी इलीगल हो रहा है, but then सबको मालूम है कि टूरिस्ट प्लेस है, इसलिए रखते हैं.
Yeah, so we're gonna refill the fuel and then hopefully the Activa starts working because we're literally in the middle of nowhere. पहली बार भर रहा है कि भरा है कभी ऐसे.
मैं भरा
नहीं, हमने भरा भी है, हमने पाइप से निकाला भी है।
So we're back in the hotel. The scooty started working somehow, but we got stuck in this lift. अभी सब लोग ही चढ़ के आ रहे सब लोग, क्या पता. Anyway, that was day 1 for you guys. So welcome to day 2. So the plan for today is to go to Chapora Fort and then Morjam Beach and then Arambol Beach. So that's the plan.
Arambol Beach.
Arambol Beach. That's the plan for today. So these are the rides for today. We have an orange Vespa, then we have a KTM, and then we have a Dio. Correct? Dressing of my wound. मेरा पाँव ही रह गया. So we're here at Chapora Fort and there's a lot of walking involved. हम सबकी नहीं, मेरी और आदि की मेनली फट गई है. Everyone else is doing fine. So we're done with Chapora Fort, but we're trekking down, and on the way there are lots of like cute shops. So we're gonna shop, but before that we're having some soda and kachi curry maybe.
Bahubali soda.
Yeah, there's a guy who's selling like Bahubali soda. ए दिल है मुश्किल नहीं, दिल चाहता है सोडा.
बाहुबली वाला है, दिल चाहता है वाला है.
बाहुबली वाला मेरे को चाहिए.
खामोशी वाला इसको लेना है.
हाँ, और कौन कौन सा?
खामोशी वाला.
वो उसके लिए बैठो,
उसके रिमिक्स आइटम है हमारे पास.
उसके लिए गॉडजिला वाला है क्या?
गॉडजिला
आप बोल रहे हो दिल चाहता है, दिल जो चाहता है वो तो आता ही नहीं. गोलमाल वाला देता. गोलमाल चलेगा.
चलेगा.
और एक कच्ची करी मत भूलना.
अपना दिल जिसको चाहता है वो अपने को नहीं चाहता है.
जन से जो टूटे कोई सपना.
कैसा है? सच्ची बहुत मस्त है. मुझे पिला.
अरे वाह, पीने ही नहीं देते. ऑब्वियसली सिद्धू को बाहुबली थोड़ा तो पसंद नहीं आएगा क्योंकि है तो भल्लाल देव. Who's भल्लाल देव?
देखने वाले समझ जाएंगे.
मैंने देखा है पर मुझे याद नहीं है. Little bit shopping किया. I'll show you in just a second. Okay, so quick haul नहीं actually. I just bought 2 things. So I'll show you what I got because both of the things are pretty cute. So the first one is this crochet bralette, which has like fringes at the bottom. I got this for 400 rupees. And then I got this scarf, a paisley print scarf for 60 rupees or 80 rupees, one of the two. Hi guys, so we are here at Morjam Beach. We were actually supposed to go to Burger Factory, but then it opens at 1, so keep that in mind. So we are here at Trip, just trying to waste some time actually. MasterChef plate, yes please. Thank you. Shut up. Aditya wanted to show his plate. Amazing. Ooh, you're gonna have to eat वो full sauce वाला fried. So we're leaving from Morjam Beach right now. We will be coming back to Morjam probably day after. Burger Factory, big thumbs up. The food was fab. It's always really crowded, so make sure that you're earlier than you want to be there. Other than that, now we're going to Arambol Beach. So we're here at Arambol Beach and there are lots of shacks here. So I think for the most part there are always like some sort of offers running. What we got is we got 1 pay 1 cocktail free, 10% off on our entire bill, and also a free hookah. If that's something that you're interested in, you can definitely come here. The beach is actually very clean and I think everyone's gonna go in the water. I don't know if I'm allowed to go or not. I'm gonna have to check with my doctor. But yeah, that's the plan so far. कैसा मजा आ रहा है सबको?
हेलो गाइस, व्लॉग हो रहा है. हेलो गाइस,
मजा आ रहा है.
प्लीज लाइन में जतरा सीधे ऐसे बैठे थे.
Insert clip. So this was our little shack. Thank you. So we're done with Arambol. We're leaving for our hotel. Everyone's thinking they want to go in the pool. I won't be able to go in the pool. I really wanted to go in the beach also because the water is really clean, and everyone sacrificed for me. Thank you for sacrificing to go to the beach for me in the water because very kafi jalti, to be honest. But I did ask them ki you guys can go if you want to. But regardless, we're gonna go to our hotel again. It's 1 hour away and I really need to pee. But there's really nothing I can do because the washrooms there aren't very clean. So maybe carry like a pee buddy or some sort of funnel for you to pee in. I didn't. They asked me to also, but I forgot somehow. But yeah, definitely check out Arambol beach. It's very clean, not very crowded, and yeah, it's a good beach. Hi guys, so we are back in the room and I think it's been an hour since we're back. We took a shower, we changed, and I'm feeling a little bit low because my leg is starting to hurt. But now we're going to Fatfish for some dinner. Aditya really wanted to go have some seafood there, so that's where we're going next. So we just got done with dinner and I didn't vlog inside because the music is too loud. So Siddhi and I ended up having some rice and dal because that's what we were craving. Aditya had some fish and then everyone else had chicken. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll vlog tomorrow. So I said I'll vlog tomorrow but tell them what's happening right now.
We're having a toss to decide in whose room we're gonna chill for the night.
Yeah.
No one wants their room to be the hangout place because सब आके बैठेंगे, mess up हो जाएगा. So we are doing a toss for that.
चलो करो. अभी टॉस चल रहा है.
Head.
Okay.
देखा फिर चीटिंग नहीं करना.
नीचे गिराना भाई,
नीचे.
नीचे गिरा. हेड भाई.
कौन जीता? तो मतलब शिखर के रूम में